welcome to this week's video. So this weekend is actually Easter Sunday, which is insane because it's gone so quick and my mind has just been focused on the 36 Mars concert, which happened on Tuesday, and I did film the vlog. So if you want to see the concert and me being excited about it, then I'll link it here and at the end of this video so you guys watch that. But today is one of my favourite kinds of videos and I'm super excited to film it, and it is a baking video, and I will be making one of my own recipes, which is kind of scary because I've never actually made like a recipe from scratch as such, and it will be Easter egg cupcakes. And I'm basically going to do normal cupcakes with cream eggs inside, and then on top I'm going to do chocolate covered cornflakes with mini eggs, and I've written it in my own little recipe book here, so that's very exciting, and it is all my own handwriting, and I've just adapted it from another recipe for basic fairy cakes, and yeah, I just really hope it goes to plan, much like my previous baking videos, which have been near disastrous and then surprisingly is a success. So if you guys want to see that and the end result, and you guys want to bake it for yourself for the Easter weekend, because today is Good Friday, then carry on watching. Yay! So the first thing we want to do is obviously preheat the oven to 190 degrees Celsius, which I'm going to do really quickly now. Now that's done, let's start with the butter and sugar. So I'm going to use basically margarine, and this is very satisfying because it is a fresh packet. Like, yes, this is what I love about margarine. It's like when you take those plastic things off like technology stuff that cover it like the film. Yeah. So basically you will need 113 grams of margarine and also 113 grams of caster sugar. Should make 9 cupcakes as well. And once you've measured out your ingredients, you now want to mix them together till they form a light creamy consistency. Now the next part is to add in your eggs. So you will be needing 2 large eggs, and I say add one in one at a time and then beat each one before adding the next one in. So yeah, and this is not my favourite part because I hate making a mess with raw egg. So wish me luck. Now the next part is the flour, so you want to do 113 grams of flour as well, and pour it into this and then sift it in, so it makes the cake mixture really light and fluffy. And then I think we're done to put them in the cases with cream eggs. This is always one of my favourite parts, to see the cake mixture like become a cake mixture with the flour. I actually don't know how much 113 grams is. I haven't got it accurate, but that's, you know, around that amount. I think, guys, that is now done. I'm really happy with that. And now it's time to do the fun part. So you want to get your cupcake cases and pop them into the little baking trays, and you want to scoop in the mixture, do it half and then put in the cream eggs. And I've basically got some cream eggs, mini ones, and I bought 2 packs, so I didn't know how many cupcakes I was going to make because I didn't know what recipe I was going to do, and it turns out I've made up my own. I've kept these in the fridge for like 2 days, so it should be quite chilled so they don't like melt that much. I read on other recipes that some people have left their cream eggs in the freezer for half an hour, so I guess that's the same effect for leaving it in the fridge for a long time. And you just want to unwrap these and These look very squished. That is really sad. So I'm gonna unwrap 9 and I'll be back with you. Turns out that is one whole packet. So I've got another whole packet to eat for myself. That is the best thing that's ever happened. You know, I want to get a spoon and spoon the mixture into the cupcakes. I don't know how to do this. It helps if you have a second spoon as well to do this. Once you're happy with how they look, which I am, then stick them in the oven for 15 minutes and they should be done. Now while we wait for them to cook, I guess it's a good opportunity to clean your mess, because I do make a lot of mess. So I'm going to clean these and wash up, and I'll be back with you in 15 minutes. And while you're waiting as well, you can always check Instagram, read a bit of your book, do something else that's pretty productive, and yeah, I'll see you in 15 minutes. Cupcakes are now done and they just look insane. Like, I can't wait to eat these and cover these with chocolate. So I'm gonna leave these in here for like 10 minutes or so, and then start on the chocolate on top. They look absolutely insane. So now all that is left to do is boil a kettle of water, then melt the chocolate. And it is raining outside, and that's really sad, but I guess because it's in April showers, and it makes me feel really cozy in here baking with it like horrible outside. These sound broken, what the hell? But I don't know how much chocolate I'm gonna need. I'm gonna melt this one, and these are to go on top. Yes! Get the kettle. Now I'm just gonna put some boiling water in the can and just make sure it won't touch the water. And you wanna break these into little chunks as well, and then put it in the bowl. Now that our chocolate is now melted, next we're going to add cornflakes, because it isn't Easter without chocolate cornflakes with mini eggs on top. So I don't know how much to add. I'm just going to wing it and pray for me. Do you ever like want to eat some as well while you're doing it? Because I do. Takes me back to my childhood, to be honest. Just look at that. Oh my gosh! Now we are gonna take our lovely cupcakes, the cornflake mixture thing, and the mini eggs, which I think only need 1 packet for. So this packet is now for me. Yes! And we're just gonna put like little nests as such on top of each one, and then put 3 cream eggs on each one, and then once that is done, you just need to leave them to set for the rest of the day, or till tomorrow, or whenever you want to, or if you want to be cheeky and eat them straight away, then you're very welcome to. But if you want them as like a centerpiece for your Easter dinner, I definitely recommend doing them the day before. Yeah, let's get crack-a-lacking! Cupcakes are now finished. They look amazing. I'm so happy with these. all I need to do is let them set, and then I'll create like a really cute flat lay and then show you guys the result. Just shooting the flat lay now, and they look so cute. I've got some drunk sheep here. I've got some chicks with glasses. These both are from Poundland, so if you guys want to grab some for your Easter table decorations, then please do. And then I've got Frankie magazine for pink aesthetics, and they just look so freaking good. I can't wait to eat them. I guess now, guys, it is time for the taste test. I have my cup of tea right here, ready to give it a taste test. That is pretty good. I've chosen the best looking one to do a taste test of. Obviously the mini eggs are amazing. 5 stars from me if I say so myself. The cream egg seems to have gone to the bottom though, which is sad. Don't know if you guys can see it right there. But that is amazing. Not only am I happy I decided to film this video, I'm happy I even decided to make these and like wing it with this recipe I've never done before because I made it up, kind of. So if you guys enjoyed this video and I gave inspiration for what to bake for yourself, for your family and friends for Easter, then do leave a comment below and tell me what your favourite part of the recipe is, and do subscribe, give it a like, and do click the notification bell below to get updates when it's upload. I do try and upload every single Friday, so hope you guys have an amazing Easter, and I will get back to eating that cupcake and eating the rest over the course of the Easter weekend, obviously, and I will see you soon. Bye guys, love you. Mwah.